Today we'll be proposing the introduction of Old Chunky as a food and beverage alternative into the cinemas. This business proposal is accompanied by the Dip snacking cup concept developed by Dip & Go, an Old Chunky franchise, which will be explained further by myself later.
We constructed a survey using Google Forms, which convenient sampling was used. 71 out of 90 people responded to our survey, which gives us a response rate of 78%. Our findings reveal that there's a constant customer traffic flow for the business, and most of the moviegoers are willing to pay for cinema snacks. Also for the chart, 55% of the moviegoers are ready to spend at least $5 on cinema snacks. This aligns with the product price of Old Chunky.
When asked for the reasons why consumers choose not to buy cinema snacks, they cited three primary reasons, which are high prices, lack of variety, and long queue times. Having Old Chunky in the cinemas will provide financially mindful consumers with cheaper alternatives. For instance, the fishball steak currently offered by Old Chunky, which is the current cheapest snack item there, is offered at $1.40. In contrast to the hot dog bun, the current cheapest snack item in the cinemas, offered at twice that price. In addition to having more variety and cheaper prices, Old Chunky can also deal with the longer queue times through their shorter food preparation and serving time. As shown here is the Dip & Go snack cup concept and Old Chunky franchise, which ingeniously offers consumers food items and the beverage in a single cup serving. That is ideal for the cinema environment due to its superior convenience and with the lesser likelihood of drink spillage. Also, when asked about consumers' willingness to patronize at Old Chunky, a resounding 97% of them responded with yes, hence justifying the feasibility of the business.
For the Bottas 5 forces, the threat of new entrants is high due to being a new business in a competitive industry. The threat of substitution is low because our only rival is the local cinemas F&B joints. The degree of rivalry is low as we have lesser competitors in a blue ocean market. The buyer's power is low because there's a lack of substitution. The supplier's power is high because Old Chunky only source from 2 suppliers.
Moving on to recommendations, limitations and recommendations. Firstly, small sample size. By having a sample size of only 70, our results might not be representative of its findings. Next, configurations of questions. Certain questions could have been configured better, such as having the use of open-ended questions rather than multiple choice options in order to improve the accuracy of the findings. Thirdly, our research recruited the use of convenience sampling due to time constraints. For future researchers, we recommend the use of stratified sampling to identify the moviegoers from the non-moviegoers. For future plans, we will be looking to launch our first Old Chunky cinema outlet at the selected theatre to test for actual customer reception. We will also be looking to partner up with social media influencers as well as local celebrities to increase brand awareness. 2021 onwards, we will be looking to streamline our existing processes as well as customizing and adjusting the capacity of our snack cup compartments. From 2022 onwards, we will be looking to establish further partnerships with local cinema operators as well as expand further into major theatres as well. So our research proves that not only does our consumer spendings align with Old Chunky's price range, Old Chunky also addresses the main problems and frustrations faced by customers when buying cinema food. A resounding yes also came from our consumers when asked if they will patronize Old Chunky at cinema outlets. Therefore, with this, we conclude that our business proposal is indeed highly feasible. Thank you for your kind attention.